What's up, YouTube? It's Motoretsa back again. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I know my videos aren't usually like this from the one video I've posted, but trying to change things up, give you guys different perspectives. But anyways, just want to do a quick update. I went to Bayside Ducati yesterday, did a test ride there, and they had a full fleet of vehicles. So I got to ride a Desert X, a Ducati Panigale V4S, a Ducati Street Fighter V4S, and the Hyper Motard 950. All awesome bikes, and I have videos for each of those respectively, except for the Desert X. I went on that one at the very end right before I left, so I was on it for a brief period of time. But I have two adventure bikes under my belt, so it was like I just wanted to see what Ducati's adventure bike was like. I've got some more content on the way outside of that too, but that's the big thing that's coming, the test ride content, and then we'll go from there. But I'm figuring out this camera stuff and how to edit things like that, so hopefully my content quality improves. I bit off more than I can chew. When I first started this, I didn't think that you're gonna have like these massive files that you got to deal with and stuff like that, but I'm learning how to make these files smaller and how to still keep the quality of them decent. I want to obviously get the best quality possible, but it's a little difficult because I know the internet's out there, but it sucks when you don't have someone right there letting you know what you got to do, and you kind of got to seek out certain pieces of information. But I don't want to make this video too long. Just wanted to give a quick update and change up the format a little bit. So I'm gonna hop on the bike, go get some coffee, and I'll see you guys next time. Might even bring you along on this ride, we'll see. But peace. And we're back. So I just finished getting coffee and it's raining. So it's not raining bad yet, but I'm trying to get home before that happens. I was gonna film something else, but I would rather not get stuck in the rain. So yeah, we're going home. Something of a spirited ride, because I definitely am not trying to get caught in rain. It doesn't really bother me to ride in the rain, but if I can avoid it, I would rather avoid it. And yesterday, when I was doing the Ducati test ride, it actually started raining. So it was cool to do a test ride in the rain. Not gonna lie. Not too many opportunities for doing something like that. But this riding video isn't gonna be too long. I don't really want to exceed 10 minutes in total for the length of this video. Just want to make something short and get it uploaded. And now when I have these red light moments, I'm just gonna cut this out. I'm just gonna cut this stuff out because it's super annoying to just be sitting here and it's silent. I need to think of some more short content. So I've posted two things so far, two things officially that everyone can see. So I posted a normal video and I posted a short. Obviously I'm not a big channel, so I don't have any real views yet. You know what I'm saying? But my actual video, the real video, only got a couple views so far, whereas the short, as soon as I posted it, it started getting views. And at the time of me making this recording, it had like 20 something views. Like I said, not a big channel, but it's nice to see that your content is being seen, no matter how few people it is. And my short wasn't even like anything special. It was just me showing off motorcycles at a demo day. And it was like, it's like a 30 or 40 second clip. So yeah, I realized that short form content is definitely the way to pull people. But most importantly, I don't want to, I don't care if I have some large audience or anything like that. Yeah, it would be nice to have your content reach more people. I mean, I think most people that start a YouTube, you know, do it with that aspiration in mind, but whether or not it happens, it's whatever. But I just want to do this YouTube thing so that I can say that I've done it. It's something, this is something I've wanted to try for a while, and I'm only getting older, and as I get older, you know, it's like, what the heck, I have spare time. Why not fill that spare time with something? And it's good. It's not talking to people directly face to face, but it's a way to talk and reach people. And I may just be conversing with myself for the time being, but it's therapeutic in a sense. Writing, talking. Eventually, I would like to have more serious talks, or deeper talks, I should say. But if all you're getting is like 2 views, you know, what's the purpose? So that would be something that I'd like to do if I actually get a decent number of people watching my stuff. Oh, I want to give a shout out to all the friends that I have in real life that have subscribed to me, and you guys definitely gave me some motivation. Regardless of if you guys watch this or not, you guys definitely gave me motivation to start this. So to those of you that do see it, thank you. And even if you don't see it, I still want to extend my thanks to you. And I have some friends that are helping me too with like channel design and things like that. So I sincerely appreciate everyone that has supported me thus far. Man, these people act like it's not raining. Must be nice. These motherfuckers are killing me. Bruh, no way. No way people are riding the leftmost lane going this slow. This is crazy. And we're home. Whew. All right. Well, you know what they say. All good things must come to an end. Until next time. Peace.